On this episode of Do Something Everyday 2, I become the sun, and I show you how to make my hand spinner 3.0. Yeah, we gonna make this. So here it is, all printed out. I'm honestly extremely pleased with this because I've been having days of crap prints coming out of my printer and I've been losing my mind trying to figure out what it was. So let's take out the bearings of this project. If you want to see this one, I'll put a link in the description above. But yeah, let's take out the bearings and let's press them into here. Wow, these are in there tight. Okay, this will be the first press, so let's hope it goes well. Not too bad. Ooh, that was tight. I'm only using the bearings on the edges just as a bit of counterweight, because without the weight they don't really want to keep the momentum going. That looks kind of pretty. Yeah. I really got to get some nicer bearings. These things work, but they're really not that great. Also, they're getting kind of dirty because I leave them out all the time. I guess the really nice thing about this project is, one, my printer is back to functioning status, which is great, and two, I really have the hole size dialed in for these bearings to be pressed into, so that's really good news for me. That's going to wrap up this episode, Do Something Everyday 2. If you could, please hit the like and subscribe button, it really helps out the channel. Otherwise, I will see you on the next episode. Maybe we'll make some more fidget toys, I'm not sure. Alright, thanks for watching.